Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need admin-level permissions or the delegated VA account. Once confirmed, enable two-step verification and add recovery options to avoid lockouts. Next, install core apps, Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Meet, Docs, on both desktop and mobile so you can switch devices smoothly. Start an organized folder structure in Drive now with Client, Projects, and Templates folders. This prevents duplicated work. Make sure to set sharing defaults so team files are accessible but secure. Then move to permissions and automation. Once drives exist, create shared drives for each client and assign manager or content manager roles. This prevents accidental deletions and centralizes ownership. Configure Gmail. Apply filters, labels, and canned responses for recurring replies, and enable delegation so you can act on a client's behalf. Then, set calendar appointment slots, color code events, and connect meeting links automatically. These steps reduce back and forth. Automate routine tasks with calendar reminders and docs templates so you spend time executing, not recreating. To finish, run a permissions audit. Remove obsolete access, confirm service accounts, and back up important Drive folders while keeping version history enabled. Train your workflow. Templates in Docs, sheets for tracking, and a master calendar for deadlines so you don't miss handoffs. If you hit problems, start by checking single sign-on, two-step status, and user storage quotas, then verify Drive sync and shared Drive permissions. If needed, temporarily elevate access to resolve conflicts and immediately log changes for accountability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.